How smart farmers feed their poultry birds for half the cost. Game changer. Hello, wonderful poultry farmers. Do you know that you are spending too much on feed? What if I tell you that smart farmers cut their feed cost by half and still grow big birds and make profit? They grow big, healthy broilers and make very good profit. Yes, there is a secret formula, and I will show you that secret formula in this particular video also. In this particular video, you will know how to feed your poultry birds smartly. Why feed cost is a big problem for farmers. How big farmers reduce their feeding costs and still get top results in their poultry operation. I'll also teach you the secret ingredients that make poultry birds grow fast. I'll also teach you do-it-yourself poultry feed formula that is balanced and powerful. How to feed broilers without breaking the bank. All these are contained in this particular video. If this particular interesting topic is good for you, right now give it a thumb up based on this course content. Give it a thumb up. And at the end of this lecture, please like and share this video to reach more farmers. The more you share the video, the more farmers get away, and it's also going to help us to reduce the cost of feeding our poultry and livestock animals, thereby making profit and encouraging more farmers. The more we have more farmers in our community, the more the cost of feeding your broilers and other poultry reduces, because many farmers will be going into even crop production. As they're going into crop production, there will be more resources for you to make your poultry feed cheap. That's why, and what many farmers don't even know at all, you can't be alone in this community. And I also advise you, if you are not subscribed to our channel community, do that right now. Click join and join our community and family, so that anytime you have an issue in your poultry and livestock animal, you are free to call me at any time to get immediate attention to help you resuscitate or revive your poultry farm. Let's go into the main topic. Why is feed so expensive? Many farmers struggle because feed is the biggest cost in poultry and livestock farming. If you don't manage your feed well, your farm will lose money. What do farmers do differently? Smart farmers don't depend 100% on commercial feed. Instead, they mix their own feed with high quality, low cost ingredients that will give poultry birds fast growth and healthy weight. Do you know that if you just go to the market and buy 1 kg of raw soya bean, toast it gradually and grind it, you are having a full fat soya. That full fat soya, you can use it in that 1 kg can help you to boost almost 100 kg of poultry feed. Maybe you are using commercial feed, you are not delivered yet from commercial feed bondage. You can use that 1 kg of full fat soya after toasting it like the way you toast granite, as if you are frying it. Don't put oil, please. Just toast it on dry pot on fire. Let it be heated up. The heating is to reduce the anti-nutritional factor. There are anti-nutritional factors that inhibit the growth and the feed conversion of this particular product. So once it is properly heated, it now becomes safe for poultry consumption. Then you grind it with grinding machine. If you don't have equipment to grind it, this type of grinding machine, this iron one they use to grind pepper in the kitchen, you can use it to grind it. It will take you time. Maybe after 2 weeks, your shoulder will go up because of the muscle extraction and compression of your hand. That's only difference. But if you have a good grinding machine, you can grind it. Then that 1 kg can help you boost 100 kg of feed. This is how smart farmers improve their feed quality. Or perhaps you have money, you can buy our Eco Bio Booster, which has a lot of natural plant additives that help to boost the growth of, or even our Eco Bio Booster also. This one is liquid. This is a tea for your poultry and livestock animals also. You can use it to boost your poultry birds if you don't have money to or time to use all those raw materials within your environment. So what is the secret formula that can help you to boost your poultry growth, weight and health? Here is the powerful do-it-yourself poultry feed mix. Here I'm giving you 50 kg of maize. Please drop it down, which gives you energy for fast growth. 20 kg of soya meal, which builds strong muscles. 10 kg of groundnut cake, which add extra protein and boost the protein content of your feed. 5% fish meal, which makes birds grow faster, because fish meal is highly digestible, fast and easily convertible. The next one is 5% of bone meal for strong bones and structure, and it helps to make your broilers and poultry birds smarter. Not only broilers, both laying birds also. The next one is wheat offer, which adds fiber and balance your feed. Fiber is helped in digestion. The next one is premix and salt. Premix are different vitamins and different minerals. That's why we call it premix. It is made up of different vitamins and minerals that are needed for the optimal growth of your poultry and livestock animals. As you are a human being, most of the times after eating, you can go and buy multivitamin tablet, the one you used to drink after food. This is multivitamin because it has a lot of vitamins and minerals for human health. But this one is multivitamin that's meant for poultry and livestock animals. We have broiler starter premix, we have broiler grower premix, we have layers premix, and we have broiler finisher premix. All the categories of birds have their own premix. So the vitamins that is help them in laying birds is for layers also. So you have this. The next one is vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is good because it boosts the energy and weight gain, and at the same time the fat content of that particular poultry feed. Remember that chicken need up to 5% fat. That fat is part of the energy also. So why is this formula better than the commercial feed? One, costs 50% less than commercial feed. When you try it, you will know what I'm telling you. And same or even better growth rate it will give you within short period of time. There is no artificial chemical in the particular feed I give you. Everything is natural. The soya bean is natural. The groundnut cake is natural. They are plants, crops, you know, which me and you eat as human beings also. The only difference is that you are only going to use them for animal feed, that's all. The bone meal is natural. The same bone you eat, and you eat the meat and throw away. You only process it and use it for your poultry birds. All these are natural, no artificial. Then bigger profit for your farm, because as you're using this product, you're going to have very good profit. Please, if this particular topic interests you, give it a thumb up and help me in the comment section and answer these questions. Are you still spending too much on feed after all these videos? Do you want to grow big broilers at a lower cost? Have you tried making your own poultry feed before and it doesn't work? What is restraining you from making your own poultry feed? Please drop your answers in the comment section. Let's discuss more, and I can still be of help to you, to encourage you, because many farmers are even afraid of starting making their own feed. I don't know. You know, when somebody is under cage, it is difficult for that person to escape, because you feel that when you want to catch you back and place you back in the prison. So some farmers don't want to deliver themselves from this bondage of commercial feed. They are still there sitting. Some even cross their leg and relax in the seat of commercial feed syndrome. Some don't want to deliver themselves. You have to deliver yourself if you want to make profit, you want to continue the business. Unless that's your poultry house, you spend money. That's your poultry cages, you spend money in buying. Unless you want rats to dominate them, you don't want to go into the business again. If you want to go into the business and continue the business, you must deliver yourself. This is the time for you to get delivered and start making your own feed. You don't need to start jumping with two legs at the same time. Start gradually. Just go to the market tomorrow, buy soya bean, raw soya bean, toast it. After toasting it, grind it. After grinding it, then package it and keep. Anytime you get the commercial feed, mix little quantity, about maybe 200 grams of it to maybe 10 kg of the feed. Try this and see the result. The result will show you that actually the commercial feed is not good for you to continue using. Then with that, you will now continue. Before you know it, you deliver yourself completely. You can deliver your leg. After delivering your leg, you deliver your hands. Then after delivering your hands, you deliver the whole body. So you may not deliver all your body at the same time. Please start today and let's see what will happen in the next farming process. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to reach more farmers. If you are not subscribed to our both channels, subscribe to the 2 channels. We load different videos on different channels on daily basis. So if you are only on one channel alone, you will not be getting the video in the other channel. Make sure you subscribe. See here, you see the Poultry Side TV and you see Dr. Lena Charles. There are 2 different channels. You need to subscribe. What you need to know is that smart farmers don't waste money on expensive feed. They use this simple formula to feed broilers at half the cost and still get great results. You too can start saving money today. Do it now. Subscribe and let's get there.